What's up guys, welcome back to the drawing tutorial. Patreon request from Emmanuel again. Duck season the dog. So, don't know anything about this. It looks like a horror sort of video game. Creepy dude in a dog costume. There's some weird games out these days, lads, I'm not gonna lie. It's weird. Okay, so landscape page, pencil eraser, hip pose if I go too fast. Cartoon type dog, right? So we've got these big round eyes with a nose in the middle. I guess we're doing the nose first actually, because the eyes, it kind of covers the eyes, right? So we just do this curved line up, down, like that. And then we go in at an angle to the point of the snout here. Like that. And then like a nostril and a nostril. And then the eyes come out from behind the nose. So you got a big round cartoon-like eye line, big curved line like that. And then we go across. And then this goes around. For the other eye, same thing, into there. So then he has green on the inside, iris, like so. Right, so that's the green part, and then the black part in here. You color it black. You can leave a highlight if you want, so like a white circle somewhere in this, and you just color around. Like that, right? So big dog sort of helmet thing, right? So we've got like a big snout, curves around here, right? Goes up in the middle, and then comes back around the other side, like so. And then he's got this black line that runs down the center. It's kind of thick, like that. And then we have whisker sort of dots. 1, 2, 3. Like so. And then his mouth is open in underneath, curved line. And we can see like a little bit of the tongue. Is it coming down from the top, or it's really dark in there? Hard to see the tongue. So let's go this way. So we'll do like just a bumping sort of tongue line like that. And then his bottom lip line just down here. And then the chin comes down from cheeks, right? So we've got like these two cheek bumps like that. And then his chin will come down real round up to there. And then from the cheeks we have the head, just a big curved line going around like that. I think he's got like some freckles up here as well. And then like, so it's a helmet because it's like a dude in a dog costume. It's not a real dog. So like the side of that helmet thing comes down underneath his chin, back around like that. It's kind of wobbly, you know, it's not even. And then his shoulder comes out here. I'm not forgetting the ears, but we'll just get the shoulder part sort of in. Like so. And then the other shoulder. Like that. And then those big dog ears. High up on his head, it's got an edge line that just comes around the edge here. And then here too. Boom. Dog from duck season. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.